Hi, could I speak to Brendan Rogers, please? Yeah, I'll hold. Hi, Brendan. Hi, Brendan. Listen, how you fixed for a job? Do you fancy a job? Get you straight back into management, son. Yeah, okay, look, before I tell you who I am, listen, just keep this in mind, right? Top team in the Premier League, right? Top team in London. The best team in London. No, not Arsenal. The best team in London. Yeah. Look, we'll give you a pot of gold. We'll give you whatever you want. We'll give you players. We'll give you sporting director. We'll give you training facilities to die for. Who is it? Look. All I'm saying, I'm just going to say three little words. West Ham United. Who is it? It's David Sullivan. Hello, Brendan. Hello.